So guys, mao ni ang Rim Island Park. So daghan magdula diri unya hapon, init pa karon. Pero ang oras alas 5:30 na. So mao ni ang diri magkapit-kapit ang mga bata, mag-slide. Where is Luca? Because of you, Hamadi.
So because of me.
So dito sa ilawom diha. Nga pwede diha mag-celebrate og birthday party. Tagko kay building tagas kaayos tanan. Sanay kahoy na pa
Let me call.
Nila kon. So na ay food truck. Tapos dito na food truck. So mani pwede kay
Where are you?
so na stage 3 guys, pwede mag party mag disco charing. So dako kay ground diri. Magdula na siya og football. Tora siya. Yang kauban naa pa sa taas sa building, naa diha ga puyo. Likod din itong kuan. Nasa diha. Muna og na siya diha ron. Si Kubi. Where? Yala, slide. Slide ang bakla. He's still in the house? Yo Allah.
We're gonna play football.
He leave it. Okay. Ayan, ready na
Me
siya.
and Luca, we're gonna go to like a grass area here.
Where is the grass area? Ako grass area.
No, because we're gonna play football. He said, I don't know where. Either you come.
Huh?
You come and then when you find it, then you shoot.
Where I come?
No, you come with us where the grass area is, like right now, and then you go back to the car, and then later when I go back home, then you come back there.
Yeah, of course.
And if I go somewhere else, and I
Open data. Wow, birdie. So guys, nindot kay diri mag-walking. Kanyang hapon diri hangin kay daplinig dagat.
I thought maybe me and Luca were gonna go there.
Where?
It's a skate park there. But we're not gonna make skate. We're only gonna run. Like we all run.
If Luca cannot come, what would you do? Go there, walk there.
No, because Luca's here.
Where? Which one?
You see that building right there? One that has the big cubes up? Yeah, that's his house.
In
I
what
saw him waving.
floor? In what floor?
I saw him. When I was there, I saw him.
Really?
Yeah, but then I lost him.
We lost him. Hindi ta diri magduyan-duyan. Wala na ko.
Take the ball.
Why?
I'm gonna be playing.
They leave it here.
Because I'm gonna play in the sleep.
Yeah, play.
I know that.
There, and the big one. So guys, di ka magutom diri kay na ay palitanan o pagkaon ni daghan diri. Dito sa unahan kay kuan, tubig dito, shower. Dito sa unahan dagat man guna diha.
Alex, Luca's there.
Where?
The one who's wearing the same as me. Luca, we're wearing the exact same thing. Yeah, wait.
Bring your ball. Ano yung barkada. So where do you go? So dito sila mag
Are we gonna play in the circle?
oh just only there.
circle area?
Okay, nice.
Or is it like a full
So nice kay diri guys.
My house is like circle
Nang
area.
fish pan na gyud tubuan nag asam ni. Dahon-dahon.
Salim.
Tubig.
And then
Fish pan.
we were telling them to take it up to them. Do you remember?
So diri
Just
sila.
there, and then here? That this specific area?
Yeah, only here.
Oh, I thought we could shoot. How would we shoot? What do you mean? How would we shoot the ball?
Di mapi nga. Only kick.
No, we're not doing it. No, it's fine.
Saan na pag-shoot kung wala net. Para sa sinina. Put your bag there. Penggit. Dili pagitgutan yun. Parita. Sabit. Medyo layo di ay. What's this? Nah, kick, kama di kick. So na, oh, na pala lawan dari. Na birthday party. Jadi pwede sa entrance. Wow. So guys, nani sa ilawom sa tulay. Kalsada. Tulay. Kalsada nila sa babaw. Bermuda no, plastic na bermuda. So wala pa kay tao, sayo pa. Anya dapat dire mga dula dito kon scooter. That was fun. Yeah. Kick. Boom. Nanulong siya dire, tuwa siya kadula. Not to fall in la get it. Kung ano ko to kong bag kay marag dami ilingkod dire. Na kick. Ila boy. Ila. Ya Rabbi. Cuts! Sala! Ano lang siya dula diri kay wa siya kadula. Nag-iisang lalaki. So yang classmate ni. Wow! Kung sa natong bag kay murag layo man ang sakyanan. Sagbot. Labangga kay lang sagbot na rin oh. Sila ra bang duha dito. Asa pa tong sakyanan. Oh, nindot pa diri mag-biking. Mag-biking. Jagan-jagan. Pool diri. Pool. Tubig. So, asar to luyo-luyo po di ay. Tubig na ha, tubig. Tubig na ha, tubig. Bula-bula ang tubig. So, pwede mo diri nakaikadit. Hindi mo duha. Saan ito sa kanan? Tara. Libre ba? Sige, wala itong mga tato. Kuha kong bag. Balik ka ng usulan ito kanina. Garbage. Uy, uy. Maunaog ta sa hagdanan. Kaya mabalik ta sa itong adtuan. Sarap. Pamak ka diri. Kainit. Ay, ako naman ko. Mali akong giagian. Tubig. Yeah. Hindi ko siguro mga bata at may buda. Nag-iti lang ka. Init pa. Sa bus. Ah, diba? Bus ay babaw. Ay. Siguro ako maglingkod. Hindi na tayo maglingkod. Init ang lubot. Adiwan. Ha? What? It's thirsty.
Did you bring cold water?
Cold water? No.
I don't know. I wanted to put it all on my face. Oh.